Okay, so we're going to go through how to record videos using OBS. So you want to start by opening up the OBS application. Once you got it open, let's say we don't have any of these, so let's remove those. Okay, so now how do you get started? Well, first here's the start recording button, but there's nothing on the screen, so how do we change that? Well, you have a scene, and then under the source you need to, let's actually do that. So you create a new scene. Then under sources you want to add, so plus, and then you want to add a display capture to record your screen, and then you can choose which screen, if you have multiple, which one you want to record from. In this case I'll choose display 0. Okay, cool. So now we're recording the entire screen here. Now say you want to input an audio device to pick up sound. You do add audio input capture. Then you choose the device you want, the microphone you want to pick up the voice from. In this case, this would be this for me. I've already done that, so I'll leave that for you to do. Now, you can always add more display captures, or if you're playing a game capture, play around with these different sources. Now, some settings to go through. So go to video, yeah, choose your resolution, and then for videos, you can keep it the same as your base resolution, or you can change it, scale it down to something less. Also choose lenses. These bicubic and bilinear is more for streaming. FPS is good at 30. Hit apply. Once you made those changes, go to output. Make sure that for streaming you want your encoder to be times x264, and rate control CBR 12,000 bit rate, and CPU usage, put that on ultra fast. Recording, here you choose where your recordings are stored. This, I think it's preset to FLV. You want to change that into MP4. You want to use the stream encoder, and that will be all the information for recording. After that, click OK. Then you can start your recording. Once you finish, just hit stop, and you'll find a file in the folder that you outputted it to. Thanks for watching. Hope it worked. If you have any questions, leave a comment.